Now if you want to connect with Wi-Fi, you need to open the network. What you will do, star hash, your administration password, press number 1, press number 3, press number 1. Now you will see this one blinking. Then you need to go with your application. Application. Open your Bluetooth in your location and your Wi-Fi.
A little bit slow down. It's okay. New Year.
Add device. Sensor. Sensor Bluetooth Wi-Fi.
Yeah, it's okay.
Wi-Fi mode.
Ask you where to shop for handles. Okay.
Blink. You need to connect by 2.4G or 4G Wi-Fi. Then connect.
$14 pieces.
Now it's connected. Then press done.
10, 12 is the last, right?
What need?
12, 10, 12. Back side of you.
I think so. Now you check if somebody ring the bell. You can receive notification. Okay, confirm. And you can open the door. Then if you want to make temporary password from here, add. Okay, take. Okay, and then you can put the name. You can put the time which will start and time for finish. Okay, and then you save. Then you need to screenshot so that you can remember this password.